Congratulations on picking up this course. You've made a very wise decision. So you should go through this course sequentially, meaning you should go ahead and start with the first training and then go through each of them one by one. If you see a section that looks more interesting than others, I suggest you just wait until you get to it. You can always skip ahead and check it out, but you'll miss some things that probably are related to what you're watching at that time. And a lot of times in the videos, I make reference back to previous videos. Excuse me. So go ahead and start with the first lecture and then just go all the way through one by one. And if you have any questions, that's what the Facebook group is for. So you can go ahead and join the Facebook group. And also the benefit of joining the Facebook group is you get to network with other marketers on Facebook, and we can share our stats, we can share our CPMs, we can help each other set benchmarks, and help each other as we are going through the experience of marketing on Facebook. I'm on Facebook marketing every single day. It's my full-time job. I have big clients, so I'm on there all the time, and I'm always ready and willing to help. So thanks again for checking this course out, and I'll see you in the next lecture.